And I'm a little stronger with my right arm since I have been single for a while. But yeah, it doesn't make up for this difference. That's insane. What's up YouTube? Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now if you missed it in the last episode, I told you a little bit about my first drive. And one of the things that happened, unfortunately, was my hood came off, flew up, hit my windshield. I already got the windshield replaced, but I need a new hood since this one's all dinged up. You can see in the corners it's super bent up. But yeah, so I contacted Seibon, who make carbon fiber hoods. I figured I was gonna replace it in the future with a carbon one. I might as well do it now. And so that's around like $750, $800. But they're really short on stock right now. So actually one of my new buddies actually found a Seibon carbon fiber hood in like new condition on Facebook Marketplace, our favorite. Only problem is it's 3 hours away, but they got the thing priced at $300, which is an absolute steal. So you know what we're doing? We're going on a road trip today, 3 hours straight east. I got the CRV ready. I got a blanket in the back and it all cleaned out. And I did check, it will fit a full Civic hood. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. Now, one stop that I had to make on the way was stop on by my workplace. I gotta get Gideon his really nice snap-on digital torque wrench back, and then one of my coworkers needs a brake line flaring tool, so I'm gonna lend this out to him. And then any other stops, I'll probably have to stop at the gas station, get some energy drinks, and get some money out of the ATM. And hopefully, yeah, we'll just cruise for the rest of the way. All right, so we're back on the road. Only 185 miles to go. And 69 miles to go.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak. Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop.
Shout out to my freaking mom. What up, mom?
Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, what is inside? Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. This pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised.
Yeah, the sun is so intense this morning, but I'm not gonna put my visor down because I don't want to sacrifice this amazing lighting. Anyway, that's pretty whack. That was my actual mom. She's probably wondering what the hell I'm doing in Wisconsin and why I'm going way past Hudson and over to Wausau heading in this direction. Little does she know, I'm buying more car parts. That's probably what she's expecting, actually. She knows I like to blow my money on car parts. Sorry, Mom. I suppose one benefit of driving right now is I get to look at all the beautiful fall colors. I don't know if they show up that good on camera, but it is very, very, very pretty around here. Speaking of very pretty, I wonder how Megan's doing these days.
I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's swinging the back of my throat. My head can miss
7 o'clock in the morning and the carbon fiber hood awaits me.
I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In the food chain, I'm the one that eats you. If he ate my ass, he's a bottom feeder.
Gotta make a quick gas station stop.
Before I ever meet you. If it don't hang, then he can't bang. You can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. If you fuck me, ask who's is it? When I ride the dick, I'ma spell my name.
All right, got our goods here, got some energy drinks, got a little pizza, got all my cash out of the ATM that I need to pay this dude. So let's get back on the road. We got about 100 miles left.
That's some wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet ass pussy. Huh?
the guy just messaged me and he said, when you're close to my driveway, you'll see my Civic sedan and my RSX. This guy's got a Civic and an RSX. You already know he fucks.
Your destination is on the right.
My ass. Oh, there it is. Huh. All right. Looks like I gotta drive around back. Stupid, 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 stupid. Alrighty, so as you can see, we're on our way back. I picked up the hood. Everything looked good. There was a lot of dust sitting on the hood, and I could see there was a couple little like clear coat scratches, super fine, but nothing that can't be buffed out super easily. So that's awesome. I'm glad I didn't get scammed or anything like that. So now we're gonna head on home. My phone's about to die, so I'll probably take a couple more videos, and then I'm gonna have to shut my phone off and listen to country music the whole way back. Shit. Alright, so we made it home, and you already know the first thing I want to do is test fit that hood on the car. So I'm going to take the Civic, pull it out of the garage, and then unload the hood from the back of the CR-V, and then we're going to just kind of set it on there, just kind of test fit it, see how everything looks. And yeah, I'm super excited, so let's get to it. So she's a little dirty and dusty right now, but yeah, check this out. Holy shit. Now, honestly, I was a little nervous at first because I really like the look of just kind of like a clean, simple car, preferably all one paint color. And when you throw like a different color hood or something like that, it can kind of mess up with the whole flow of the car. And I also kind of stayed away from carbon fiber hoods for a while just because of the insane price. I mean, a lot of times you're paying like close to $800 for a hood. But I'm pleasantly surprised that like the gray weave in this carbon fiber, it kind of matches up with the monochromatic pattern that I got going on here with like the whites, the grays, the blacks. And it works perfect for me since I'm so colorblind. So I really like the way it looks. And I got some Aero Catch hood pins to make sure that this baby doesn't fly up on me. And besides for looks, another benefit of the carbon hood is it kind of reduces weight from the car. I think it only loses like 15 pounds off the car, if that. But I'm gonna take it off the car, and I'm gonna feel just how much it compares to the stock steel hood. And yeah, see if it really made that big of a difference. Oh yeah, oh there's a difference, all right. Now this one, I mean, just by lifting up from the little factory loop there, I can do it pretty easily with one hand. Yeah, ain't too bad. This is what it looks like on the back side. It's basically just painted black. And I think it's fiberglass reinforcement to kind of mimic the factory hood style. Compared to this one, oh yeah, I can't really bounce this one up and down with one hand too much. Yeah, that's a big difference in weight. Holy shit. Easy peasy, not so easy. I'm a little stronger with my right arm since I have been single for a while, but yeah, it doesn't make up for this difference. That's insane. Wow. It's probably like, I'd say it's at least, it feels like at least a 10-pound difference. So if you couldn't tell already, I'm pretty stoked on this purchase. I mean, $800 value hood for 300 bucks, and it's in pretty damn good condition. Absolute steal. And to only drive 6 hours, although it's kind of painful doing that by yourself, it ain't bad at all. So I'm super happy with it, like I was saying, and definitely got to find a way to get rid of this one. It doesn't look so bad on camera, but she's dented pretty good, and the corners are where it's really shot. I actually do have a little snippet of a video of when it actually happened. You can hear it, but you can't really see the hood pop up, but I'll place that right here. So yeah, not one of my proudest moments, but we all make mistakes in the heat of passion. So I'm gonna go ahead, bring the Civic in the garage, probably wrap up the video for today. Stay tuned for Friday's video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I don't know if you came on Facebook or if you're a friend from one of the meets or something like that, but it's good to have you here. Don't forget to tell your friends about us and everything. Keep these views going, keep this community growing. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.